Guys, my name is Gurveer Singh and I am a problem setter and tester at Shastra Cleaup. So today we are going to solve the problem which is message cleanup. So first let's set the problem statement. Here we are given a sorted list of n messages in a chat application where some messages are duplicate. Our goal is to improve the chat experience by removing duplicate messages, ensuring that the conversation remains clear and concise. The task is to modify the list of messages in place such that it only retains unique messages in the original order of appearance. Additionally, you will need to determine the number k which represent the count of unique messages. So what we have to do is first we have to modify the array of messages so that first k positions hold the unique messages, the same order as they appear in the original list. Replace the remaining position in the array with 0 as those messages are no longer needed. Okay. In the input format, we are given the number of test cases, the size of that array, and the array. Okay. So, and output format, we have to print the k, which is the number of unique elements in that array, and we also have to print the array. So, let's see the sample test case. Here we have my array, and after filling out, we get the this become and 0. Okay. The count of new message is 4, so we will print 4. And test case 2 is in. So, since we have sorted array, we can always get the unique elements in their original order. Okay, so what I what we are going to do is we will use a two pointer approach. The first pointer will be used for placing the unique elements, and the second pointer will be for getting the unique elements. So the second pointer will not take any duplicate elements, and once we have got an unique element, we will just keep it in the place of that first pointer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let me explain you with an example. So here what we have to do, we will take I pointer and j pointer. I pointer will be at the starting index of the array, and the j pointer will be the after the starting index of the array, which is 1. Okay, so why not at 0? So j pointer will not be a 0 because the starting index of the array will always be an unique element. So we don't have to check for that if it is we don't have to check for that. So what I'm going to do is we will traverse the whole array and we will check if the array of I is not equals array of j. Update we will move the I pointer and update it. Okay, so what I mean by that is we will just move the I pointer and get the get the jth element and keep it in the and replace with the ith element. Okay, so we will do this for the whole array. So now you can see the j again traverse the array, and we got an element which is not equals to array of I. So we will move the array of I here and replace it with the ith element. And then after j traverse the whole array, we will just print our unique element, which is I of I plus 1. And here we also have to replace the remaining position with 0. So what we're going to do, we will first move the I pointer and we will replace all the elements with 0. So that's the whole approach. So now let's code it up. So here I am taking the number of test cases and for each test case we take the size of the array and then I have first initialized the array and inserted all the elements. So now we will solve the problem. First we will take the I pointer and now we will take j pointer from I equals to 1 till the last index of the array, and what we have to do is we will save the array of I is not equal to array of j. If it is not, then we will move the I pointer and replace it with the j element. So now we got all the unique elements. So we also have to replace it. First, what we have to do is we will take the number of unique elements and then remove the I pointer. It will this will mark all the remaining position with 0. So now we will print the number of unique elements, which is A, and also the next line character. Now we will print the whole array. Okay, so I will then I cluster the out array of I. After printing the whole array, we will the next line character. So let's see if it passes all the sample test cases. So no response on test to problem was that I didn't move the side pointer. So now it will pass the sample test case. Let's submit the code. Should pass all the test cases. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching the video.